Hi, it's Lydia Amanda from Pink, where I help solopreneur mastering tools to simplify their work. In this video, I'm going to talk about a cloud-based storage for videos or for images. It's Publitio. I have used Publitio to host my online course videos for over a year. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my experience and review it as well. Publitio is a cloud-based storage. Just you upload your videos or your images to their storage, and then you can embed it into your website or landing page or anywhere you need your video to be. I use Publitio mainly for hosting my online courses and also my sales videos. It has been working really well for me. What I love about Publitio is it's very easy and straightforward to set up. There's no complication. And the platform is easy to use, and there are loads of features. They have HLS video encryption. It's an extra layer of protection. It prevents people from downloading your videos. And they offer great support. I have contacted support a few times and they all came back like a couple of hours. Video processing is not often seen with video hosting service. They can change to any video format that you need. For example, there are many video formats out there. There are MP4, there are MOV, all sorts of different formats. Once you encounter a platform that needs certain format and you don't know how to convert it, Publitio in the video process can help you to convert to different formats. So this is super convenient. Also, if the video is too large, in the video processing will help to reduce the video file size without sacrificing the quality. How good is that? And it also has the option to turn video into MP3. You can also create watermarks here to watermark your videos and your images. And that is super great stuff. Watermarking also serves a branding purpose if you use it. They do offer detailed analytic. For example, I can see what are the top formats people been viewing, and also what are the top countries people are watching my content. For example, I can go to my media assets here, file. They used to only support videos and images. Now they support even PDF file. I can show you, I have one PDF file here, and the analytic, you can actually scroll down at the bottom and you can see the top countries downloading my PDF file and also the top browsers and the systems. It is a great insight because you will get to know your viewers better by what device they use, what browser they use, and where they come from. So you can use this data to create your content. There are so many features, even for developers. For example, here, if you're thinking about expanding in the future and to collaborate with a developer, and here is a tons of stuff that will make a developer very happy. So on Publitio, you can see I have 8 GB of video with them, and you can see there are files and versions and players. You can choose different type of players. The player means how people watch your video, the control panel, what they look like. So it's very easy, just click and browse file or just drag over there. And you can even link to Google Drive, and they have some analytic you can see. It's a very simple and straightforward software to use, nothing complicated. It's very good for creators like me, content creators. I create courses and I have like sales videos, and also I have tutorials that I only created for a specific group of people, for example, my clients or my students. Once you upload your video to Publitio, you can use that link embedded to anywhere you like, and also you can lock it. You can also set that this video only can appear on certain domain. You can also lock that down, make it more secure in this way, like only certain domain able to show this particular video. For example, once I upload it for my online courses, people have to purchase it to able to watch it, and I will lock the video only to be able to view on that website, not anywhere else. Okay, so this option is also available. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pro is very easy to use and set up, and uploading is super fast, and it can also connect it to WordPress website to take all these media files off the web server into Publitio's cloud service. So that would help to offload, to make the website faster. So there's a plugin for WordPress. And this is just a fantastic feature. The third good thing is they offer lifetime deal. And I love that because I don't like subscriptions. So if you're like me, you don't like subscription, this is a great news. I have purchased their lifetime deal for 50 gigabytes. You can see, and I've only used 8 so far. There's plenty of storage to use. And you can purchase the lifetime deal, and I highly recommend anyone to do this because once you bought it, it's yours. You don't have to keep paying for subscription, and my video can be there for 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years, and people will keep watching it and using it, and it will still be there. But if you prefer to pay for a subscription to try out their service, they offer 2 weeks of trial, and also monthly. You can see it's a good deal too. I have purchased their lifetime deal. So if I have any information about lifetime deal coming up, I will leave in the link in the description. And normally if it's a monthly deal, you'll get this monthly subscription. If you prefer just try out their service for 14 days and pay for monthly, then you will know if you like it or not. So you don't have to commit to a long length of time like lifetime. So it's entirely up to you what you want to choose. So this is the pro. And let's talk about cons. They do offer the editing ability for videos and images, but I do find the tools are very limited. The second thing is you do need to learn how to set up the video. But once you learn and understand how it works, it's a bit of a learning curve for setting up the video for how I want it. And once I get to know it, it's pretty easy and simple. And if you want to have a more advanced feature, you will need to spend more time to dive in. So if you are a content creator and solopreneur like me, I think Publitio is a great choice. If you would like to sign up a free account to try it for yourself, I will leave the link in the description. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you would like me to create a tutorial how to set up video in Publitio, leave in the comment below. And I will talk to you in the next video.